Have you given up on your dreams? Or did you already give up on your dreams? What are your dreams? I know you have dreams. You have goals and you have dreams. You've been wanting to achieve your goals for a very long time. Please put what your dreams are in the comments. I know you have dreams. I have dreams too. What are your dreams? Because sometimes we get consumed with so many things and we forget to really concentrate on what's important. What if your dream is not what you really wanted, but you did it because you wanted to please your parents? So now you're living your parents' dreams. Do you think it's time to give up someone else's dream that you're living and to live your true dream, the one you always wanted to do? It's never too late. Never, it's not too late. As long as you have the breath of life, you can make changes in your life. So if you're living someone else's dream, now is the time to live yours. Do you think it's too late to change your dreams? I don't think so. I always wanted to help people, but did not know how to do so. I tried many different jobs and hobbies, but my soul keeps bringing me back to talking to people, which is what I was meant to do. I love talking to people. I love giving people advice. I love hearing other people's story. I love communicating with other people. I like to bring a smile to other people's face. So, me doing all the other jobs that I picked and hobbies, you know, yes, I enjoyed them. Yes, they paid me. Yes, it was good. But deep down inside, I know what I wanted to do is to talk to people, help people, be there for people. And I love doing that. I might not be good at it, but I will keep doing it until I get it right. With me talking with people, hearing people, listening to people, paying attention to people, that brings me joy. And I'll keep talking to people and keep advising people and keep motivating people until I get it right. But I will not stop doing it just because I am not that good at it yet. There is still work and improvement to do, but I am living my dream. I get to talk to people every single day. I am sharing this with you to encourage you to keep going and don't give up on your true dream. We have all walked away from our dreams at one point or another. Maybe our dream, the big dream we have, we cannot make money with it at this point. So we give it up so we can do something else that pays us, but we're unhappy. Don't quit your job. Work at where you are. And in the meantime, practice on your dream career, dream job, dream position. Don't give up something until you have the other one. While you work on something, while you're working at a job to pay your bills, practice whatever it is that you want to do. And when you get it done, then you can move from one place to the next. But don't just abandon your job now just to pursue your passion and your dream, because if your dream is not paying you or making you money at this point, you might tend to struggle. So you have to be you you have to give it thought. You might want to be a doctor and you know it's a lot of money. So if you're in a job right now that you're working and making money, you know if you just quit it to go to school to become a doctor, if you have bills and rent and everything else, that will struggle. So you don't want to do that. You want to work where you're working and then pursue the career that you want. Because When you find what you want to do, you will feel pure joy. You will feel pure joy and happiness. So don't just give up on your dream. Take baby steps towards your dream. You will get there. You will get there. You just have to keep doing it daily, little bit at a time. So don't give up on your dreams. And I will see you in the next video.